The Tata Punch's infotainment system, developed by Harman, receives regular updates to enhance features like voice recognition, app integration, and map data. This Harman-developed system features a touchscreen with connectivity options and integrates with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Updates can be done via over-the-air or USB. OTA is wireless and convenient, using the car's SIM card or Wi-Fi, and is the preferred method with over 80% of owners using it as of mid-2025. USB updates are manual and useful in areas with poor internet connectivity. For OTA updates, ensure your post-2022 Punch has IRA enabled. Navigate to Settings, then System, Software Update, and check for updates. Follow the on-screen prompts, keeping the vehicle stationary with the engine off. For USB updates, download the package from Tata's website using the My Tata app. Copy it to a FAT32 formatted USB drive. Insert the USB into the car's port, then go to Settings, System, USB Update, and follow the prompts. Keep the vehicle stationary with the engine off. The Tata Punch uses Here Maps for navigation, offering offline capabilities and real-time traffic data. For Android Auto and CarPlay, pair your smartphone via Bluetooth and enable the feature in the infotainment settings, granting the necessary permissions on your phone. Looking ahead, Tata plans to increase OTA adoption to 95% by 2026. Future updates will incorporate AI for predictive maintenance and personalized dashboards, as well as EV-specific features for hybrid variants. Bi-monthly OTA updates are planned, focusing on augmented reality, AR navigation, and 5G integration. By 2030, the system may include full vehicle-to-everything (V2X) communication. Stay updated via Tata's official website or app for the latest specifics.